Hello guys and welcome back to Game Development Tutorials. Today we are continuing our shop main menu, but first we have to fix some bugs, or bug. Period, I guess. Okay, so right now when we go to the pause menu, we can still move. So yeah, but we cannot shoot, so yeah. And our cursor does not show. When you go to the pause menu, it does pause, but we can still shoot. And if you go to pause menu, we can also go to the shop menu, and I believe the same thing goes around. Yep. Okay, so we are gonna fix those bugs. First of all, let's fix the pause bug. So let's go into the Game Manager script by double-clicking on it, as always. Okay, cool. Okay, so here is where the problem is, right here. And I believe this should be a really simple fix. I'm gonna turn this if into an else if. And I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, woohoo. Okay. And let's just hit play and see what happens. Well, okay, now. Okay, this is getting confusing. Okay, here is what we are going to do. How about, you know what? These variables are fine. I'm just gonna comment these two lines out. So to comment, you just have to push backspace, backslash. Then it will turn gray and it will be commented out. We will get all these errors, but don't worry, we can just comment those out. Okay, and we can just comment this out, but instead of doing this for the whole line, we can just do backslash, star, or whatever that's called. Then, here we can do star, backslash. And there we go. Okay, so this, I think, is all we need. We do need shop open, though, so let's just unslash these lines out. Okay, delete that, and delete that. Then close shop. Let's just see how that works for now. Or you just might put the pause menu in the shop. Who knows? But let's just see. Escape pauses the game. P does not pause the game. Fine. Okay. See, continue button. That will just run once. So I think we are good with these buttons. I do not think it's. I do not think that's the problem. I think the problem is when we open the shop, we also have to say is pause is equal to true. But wait, hold on. If shop open is equal to true, then it will say that. Else if shop open is equal to false, and yes, I am aware that I did that incorrectly. There we go. We'll say is pause is equal to false. Okay, and there we go. Hopefully this should work, hopefully. Now, when we press play, we pause, we cannot move. Press shop, we cannot move. Oh, and now you can't shoot in the pause menu. Great! That solved 2 bugs in one. But the last bug that we will cover is we can put both shop and pause menu on the same screen. We do not want that. So, we'll go into the game manager. This should also be a pretty easy fix. We will just, we don't need that. We can just say private bool, make sure it's still in the game manager. Pause menu, open. Then, start function, we'll say pause menu open is equal to false, so it's not open. We also want another private bool. Private bool. Shop menu open. By the way, you can move lines up without having to copy paste. If you just hold Alt and press down arrow or up arrow. So yeah, pretty simple trick, but it's useful in some cases. Like here, if I just hold Alt, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Just like that. Okay. So now when we go into the pause menu, so let's see, escape, we will set pause menu is open is equal to true. Then when we go into the shop, we will set shop menu open is equal to true. And then, hold on, we have to make these buttons work down here. So continue button. We will set pause menu open is equal to false, and for the close shop, we will say shop menu open is equal to false. Just like that. Okay, so now it'll detect when the shop is open and when it is not open. So that is what we want. So now we actually have to make this functionality function, as it's called. Okay, so right here we'll say if shop menu open is equal to false, then I'm just gonna keep 1. Then I'm just gonna make some space and use the other. So it creates an if statement around these. Then it's the same thing, but with the pause menu down here. We will say if pause menu open is equal to false, then it will run this. That should be good, actually. So let's let this compile. Then we can just press play. Okay. Runs whenever pause, it's good. Continue, it's good. When I go into the shop, it's good. And when I exit, it's good. Now if I go to the pause menu, can't go into the pause menu anymore. I can still go into the shop, just not the pause menu. Okay, it's right here. I think I know, but it also might not be it. Shop menu open is also equal to false. You can move that line up. But that should be it. So, okay, let's just see if that worked. Hopefully it did. And this episode will just be dedicated to bug fixing, and the next episode will be getting more into the shop menu. Okay, escape still works. Escape again still works. Pause menu, it's not working. Okay, great. I'm just gonna go into debug mode. So I'm just gonna select the game manager. Then over here is the 3 bars. We can just select that, and I'm just gonna change from normal to debug. Pause menu is open. Shut the pause menu. There we go. And it still says that it's open. And I know why. Okay, because we are not always clicking the continue button when we finish. And that is why. So yeah, we are basically going to do the same thing we did. How about we just do this? In here, we will say shop menu open is equal to false. It's actually equal to true. And shop menu open is equal to false down here. Then, I'm just going to copy this. So highlight that, Control C. Then go here, Control V. Then it will set, oh boy, shop open. See, how would we do this? So we've got this working. Okay. Make it another bool. Public bool. Shop. Is shop open? Just not how you spell open. There we go. Then, down here, is shop open is equal to false. Then, how about right here, we say pause menu open is equal to true. Pause menu open is equal to false. And then, I actually do not need this variable, sorry about that. And just delete that. And in shop open place, we can just replace that with is paused. I think that will be okay. We can go back into Unity and it should work now. Okay, we can press play. Make sure that these are still unchecked. Good. Escape opens the pause menu. Good. Escape closes it. Good. Shop menu. Good. Good. Oh, come on. That. Okay. This issue. Okay, now let's see if we can open both of them at the same time. I'm going to open up the shop menu and try to press escape, and it doesn't work. There you go, press escape, and it does not work. Okay, good. Now, this last bug where the exit button does not work. Let's go down to the exit button, close shop button. I do not know what's happening here. Close shop, equal to false, timescale. I'm just gonna go with this quick solution. I am just going to highlight all that, Control X to cut, Command X on a Mac. And then I'm just going to put that right here, so Control V to paste. Then highlight all that, Control X or Command X on Mac. Then put it right there. I'm actually going to make a function for it, so I'm just going to scroll down here. void check menu open. Like that. And then, so scroll up here. I'm going to copy all of this, so highlight all of that. Press Control X, Command X on Mac. Then we can just Control V that back right in there. And of course, we still have to call this function. So I'll go right here and I'll call check menu open. And hopefully this will work. So let's see. So I press play. I press escape. Okay. Wow, that did not work. Huh. I'm gonna try to call this, so Control X, right under there. And if this does not work, then I will put this into a second part. Okay, I'll try this one more time. No, it does not work. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna put everything back to normal. Highlight all this. Control X. Then put that back in there. Shop menu, shop open. Good. I'm just gonna put all this. Control X. Back in there. And I do not know why it's not working. Never mind. Yes, I do. We want to grab that, so just Control C. Then we go into Close Shop, Control V. Then we'll do the same thing with the pause menu, just to be sure. Control C. Into Continue button, Control V. And I think that should be it. There we go. Okay. Let's press play. Press escape. Good, I cannot move. Continue button works. Let's pause. Pause, that works. Exit shop. Okay, good. Now if we press escape and pause menu, good. It will not allow it. There we go. And it works. Cool. Nice. Amazing. Epic. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.